You're looking at a 2021 Honda CR-V hybrid with automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, 103,000 miles in like new condition, absolutely no stories. It is all-wheel drive, it is hybrid, so it gets great gas mileage. It is also an EX, comes with all of the Honda safety features, including pre-collision, lane keep assist, white exterior, keyless entry, black interior, power options, power seats, moonroof, lane keep assist, pre-collision, adaptive cruise control, smart system for Android Auto, Apple Carplay, backup camera with the adjustable camera modes, MP3, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, I think I've already said that, adjustable drive modes, heated seats, Tiptronic shifting. Exact mileage is 103,530. Memory seats, blind spot monitors, light new shape. No rips, no burn holes, no odors, no scratches. That's just because the car's on. Perfect storage amount. Great for winter. Just a nice, clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.